is in cornrows, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my wig cap. Pull it back to expose my edges. And as you can see, so the edge control that I'm going to be using is the Hicks Edges and the Got To Be Glue Styling Gel. And I'm going to be using a toothbrush. With Hicks Edges, you have to be really careful how much you apply. If you apply directly onto your edges, it's going to be too much. So I just take my toothbrush and dip it in here. And then I go in on my edges, pulling down all of my edges first. Then I'm just going to go ahead and do swooping motions, pulling the hair down. And once it is straight, place my finger and do a swooping motion. Like so. Once the hair is straight, now place my finger at the top, pull it in a swooping motion. I'm going to show you one more time in case I didn't explain it right. Pulling the hair straight down, this allows me to place enough edge control on my edges to where I know when I mold it, it'll stay in shape. So pulling it straight down, and once it's staying in place, take my finger, place it at the top, and swoop it back. And then for this little hair right here, I'm just going to be placing Hicks Edges throughout it and twisting it with my finger. Place just edging down or gluing down the very tip, and this part will curl on its own. And once everything is in place, I just go in with my Got To Be glue and place it right on top. And that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. Once my edges are all good to go, I just take a, what is this called? A wrap. I just take a wrap and I wrap my hair. You can use a scarf, you can use whatever you would like. But I'm just gonna wrap my hair up. Then I go do whatever it is I need to do. Maybe it's my eyebrows or whatever. Waiting for this to set, maybe 5 minutes, and then I'll show you the end results. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Leave any questions, comments, or concerns down in the comment section below. And for love of makeup and all things curly, please subscribe and stay tuned for my next video. Bye guys. I just want to swim.